Directionally selective knitted strain sensors. A sensor fiber is knitted into a base fabric of silicone cord. The sensor is directionally selective with up to 10 times the sensitivity in the whale axis compared with the coarse axis. To make the sensor fiber, pass electroplated thread through silicone tubing. Then, stretch the silicone tubing to draw in more electroplated thread. The sensor fiber's behavior is highly repeatable and has been tested to hundreds of cycles. The sensor fiber is waterproof and sensitive across a range of temperatures. The sensor fiber can be repaired after a cut with a patch of silicone tubing and smooth-on silpoxy. Patches of silicone cord can be knitted by hand or with a knitting machine. Floats or horizontal bars of silicone cord across the whale axis sensor provide stability in the coarse axis. A whale axis sensor without floats does not display the same level of directional selectivity. Sensitivity can be increased by attaching multiple whale axis sensors. Knitted materials can be recovered and re-knitted. This silicone patch is knitted, unraveled, and then immediately re-knitted.